how we can set parameters in Power BI. So we have loaded sample data, which is financial data from Power BI itself, wherein we'll now first create measures. So we'll go to new measure, and here we'll write total profit. This would be a simple measure that we'll be using in parameter. So we write sum of profit. Then we'll create second measure, which will be a total sales. This will be a sum of sales. Now, why we are creating measure? Because in parameters you can use measures only. That is first thing. Secondly, if you make any measure, that will not scan whole column every time. So your Power BI will be a little faster if you use as a column sum in your chart or anywhere. So it will scan whole column every time. So instead of that, always use measures. So now we'll go to create. So first we'll take a simple chart in here. So let's go ahead with the this chart, clustered column chart, and here we will pass date on x-axis, and for y-axis we will make a new parameter. So to make any parameter, we need to go to a modeling tab. Here we have new parameter option, wherein we'll get two options. First is numeric range, wherein user can provide any numeric range, and second one is field. So this time we will be taking fields because we have sales and profit, two fields for us. We'll provide a name for parameter that would be a sales slash profit, and we will add up the measures that we have made from here. So we'll tick on the measures and we'll click on option create. Now once we'll have this measure, once we will have this parameter created, it will give us a filter. We'll change this filter to tile. So that would be a good option, to user select. And from selection, we will have only one select option enabled. So either profit will be enabled or sales will be enabled. Then in our chart, we will put this parameter on y-axis. Now if you can see here, total profit is written because total profit is selected, and if we click on total sales, it will show a total sales. So further we can add up if we want, we can go ahead and we can add up data labels. So we'll have the option. So this is how you can create any field, and you can give user option to pass the values they want. Thank you.